Welcome back. In today's episode, we're diving into the future of transportation with 5 cutting-edge flying vehicles that are reshaping how we move through the skies. From flying motorcycles to silent air taxis, this is the next frontier in personal mobility. Let's take off. The Lazareth LMV 496 is a futuristic flying motorcycle that combines electric propulsion with jet-powered flight capability. On the ground, it operates as an electric motorcycle with a 100 kilometers range, powered by a lithium-ion battery and an electric motor driving the rear wheel. In flight mode, it uses 4 kerosene-fueled JetCat turbine engines, each producing 96,000 RPM, generating a combined 1,300 newtons of thrust. The transition from road to flight is seamless, with the wheels tilting outward to reveal jet turbines. The carbon fiber frame keeps the weight low, ensuring structural integrity and aerodynamics. The LMV 496 can hover up to 3 meters above the ground for approximately 10 minutes. It features an intuitive fly-by-wire system for stability and precise control. Weighing around 140 kilograms, it maintains a balance between strength and agility. The fuel tank is integrated into the body, supplying the turbines efficiently. Designed as a limited production concept, the Lazareth LMV 496 pushes the boundaries of personal aerial mobility, blending motorcycle performance with vertical takeoff capability. Our next aircraft in the list is the Terrafugia TF-X. The Terrafugia TF-X, a flying car designed to transform personal transportation. The TF-X is a hybrid electric vehicle that can drive on roads and take off vertically, making it incredibly versatile. It seats 4 passengers and is designed for intuitive operation, aiming to make flying as simple as driving a car. One of its standout features is its hybrid powertrain. The TF-X uses electric motors for propulsion during flight, supported by a gas engine that extends its range. This combination allows the TF-X to fly up to 500 miles on a single charge, with a cruising speed of 200 miles per hour, offering long-distance travel without the need for a pilot's license. Its vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) capability means it doesn't require a runway, and it's designed to fit in a standard garage, making it practical for everyday use. It is designed for automated takeoff and landing, so even those without flying experience can use it easily. Terrafugia envisions a future where the TF-X will be part of an autonomous transport system, with the craft handling most of the flight itself. Terrafugia TF-X represents a bold leap toward the future of personal mobility. It's more than just a flying craft. It's a glimpse into the next era of travel, blending innovation, safety, and convenience into a single, transformative vehicle. The JETRACER is a next-generation personal aerial vehicle developed by Frankie Zapata, the creator of the Flyboard Air. This high-speed, turbine-powered craft redefines personal mobility with advanced aerospace engineering. Equipped with 10 microturbine jet engines, it produces over 1,000 horsepower, allowing it to reach speeds exceeding 250 kilometers per hour. With a maximum altitude of 3,000 meters, it operates using vertical takeoff and landing technology, controlled via a fly-by-wire joystick system with autonomous stabilization. It runs on Jet A1 or kerosene and offers a flight duration of up to 15 minutes, depending on speed and payload. Constructed from lightweight carbon fiber, it weighs approximately 50 kilograms while supporting a pilot of up to 100 kilograms. Safety features include engine redundancy and an integrated emergency parachute system. Its highly agile design enables full 360-degree movement, making it capable of performing dynamic aerial maneuvers. AI-assisted flight control enhances stability, while remote operation allows for unmanned missions. This cutting-edge aerial vehicle is designed for both civilian and military applications, including high-speed reconnaissance, emergency response, and extreme sports. This fully functional model, the JETRACER, pushes the boundaries of human flight, making jet-powered personal transportation. Next is Joby Air Taxi. The Joby Electric Air Taxi is a revolutionary eVTOL aircraft designed for urban air mobility. It is powered by 6 tilting electric propellers, driven by high-efficiency electric motors, and operates on a lithium-ion battery system. The aircraft can reach a top speed of 320 kilometers per hour and has a range of 240 kilometers on a single charge. With a lightweight carbon composite structure, the air taxi is optimized for energy efficiency and noise reduction. It produces only 45 decibels of noise during takeoff and landing, making it significantly quieter than traditional helicopters. The aircraft is designed to carry up to 4 passengers and 1 pilot, with vertical takeoff and landing capability for efficient urban transport. Joby's advanced fly-by-wire control system ensures smooth and stable flight, while redundant power systems enhance safety. The battery system supports fast charging, allowing quick turnaround between flights. With zero emissions and cutting-edge aerodynamics, the Joby Electric Air Taxi aims to transform urban transportation with fast, quiet, and eco-friendly aerial mobility. Our next item is AeroMobil. The AeroMobil flying car is a remarkable blend of futuristic design and cutting-edge technology. This Slovak-based innovation offers a seamless transition between driving on the road and flying through the sky. When on the ground, it functions as a sleek, four-wheeled car, capable of reaching speeds of up to 160 kilometers per hour. But what truly sets it apart is its ability to transform into a fully functional aircraft in under 3 minutes. Once airborne, the AeroMobil can fly at speeds of up to 260 kilometers per hour, with a range of approximately 740 kilometers on a full tank of fuel. Constructed using high-strength composite materials and lightweight carbon fiber, the AeroMobil ensures both durability and performance. It's powered by a hybrid propulsion system and features advanced avionics for a smooth flight experience. Safety has been prioritized, with features like a ballistic parachute system and autopilot technology to enhance both driving and flying. Whether you're commuting across cities or embarking on a longer journey, the AeroMobil flying car promises to revolutionize the future of transportation, making dreams of personal flight a reality. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more sky-high innovations. Until next time, stay ahead and fly smart.